Hi everyone, this is Robin McCullen, your venture coach and your biggest fan. So I wanted to tell you today a little bit about what you're getting when you get this. I have taken this ebook and I have separated it and made it into 7 easy modules for you to work through. And they're very simple exercises. The very first one is talking about your vision, the vision of your company and how you see your vision in 5 to 10 years, thinking outside of the box. It's a fillable PDF that you can do and probably in 30 minutes, no more than 30 minutes. And then the second module is talking about the mission. Oh yeah, I like that picture. The mission. We're talking about how you're going to achieve what you want to achieve in your business. And what are the core values that you want to instill in your business? What action verbs are you going to use to activate those core values? And then last but not least, and most important, is we're going to talk about and work through an exercise in developing your mission statement for your company. Very important as coming up with your mission statement. The third module that we're going to actually talk about is setting yourself some goals, short-term and long-term goals, and we know what that's all about. Short-term being within 3 to 5 year, or 1 to 3 year, and long-term being more than 5 years, like 5 to 10 years. Setting yourself some goals to work towards and attain. The fourth module is going to be your client. Do you know who your client is, and do you know who your customers are going to be? We're going to work through an exercise that identifies pretty specific your client and what they look like, what they feel like, what they do in life, what their views are, where they hang out, a lot of different questions and exercises so that you can really get a good visual of who your client is going to be. And then once you identify your client, then we're going to talk about the need out there in the marketplace. Is there a need? And if there is a need, then what is that need? What is your client being challenged by that your business is going to meet? And then, of course, we're going to talk about in the next module, the nurturing of that need. Oh, yeah, check out this picture of the girl in the pocketbook. Yeah, she is meeting my need. I love pocketbooks. I'm a pocketbook and a shoe girl. So anyway, in this module, we're talking about how your business is going to meet the client need that you just talked about in the prior module. What do you bring to the table as a business owner? What skills and gifts do you have to meet that need? And how is your business going to actually meet the needs specifically? Okay, which is really, really important. And then last but not least, the seventh module is going to be talking about your summary, your executive summary. Coming up with an executive summary is actually taking the first 6 modules and condensing them down into 6 to 8 sentences into a paragraph. The executive summary of any business plan is always at the beginning of your business plan when you present it to somebody. So here I have given you a chance, after working through the 6 modules, vision and mission and client needs and nurturing and goal setting, for you to condense down and come up with an executive summary. Now, at the end of my ebook, I've given you some examples of some core values that you can use and look at for deciding on what your core values are when you're working on your mission statement. But also remember, there's a ton of information online about core values, a more exhaustive list that you can go to. And then last but not least, in the ebook, I also give you links and some free downloadables that you can get right off my website just for you, for the Rock Your Business Plan participants. Some list of some blogs that I have written that may strike your interest that you can download. Also, a free 30-minute coaching session with me upon request. And then the most special thing, an invitation, is inviting you to the private Facebook group of Rock Your Business Plan in 7 Easy Steps. This is going to be such a fun little place for all of us like-minded entrepreneurs who are working on our business plan in 7 Easy Steps to congregate, come together, and collaborate to answer questions that you have, challenges that you face as you're working through your business plan writing. I'll be there. I'll be answering your questions along the way. Feel free to always reach out to me. That's what I'm here for, to help you get it down in writing and clarify so that you, the business owner, can go forward and be successful and know the direction that you're going. So join me in the Rock Your Business Plan in 7 Easy Steps private Facebook group just for you. Now, this is Robin McCullen, your venture coach and your biggest fan. Good day.